are you looking for love, but maybe you're tired of swiping on the phone? Well, there's a new way to speed date.
It's dubbed Yoga for Your Love Life.
Yes.
This Tantra Yoga inspired event is about more than just dating. It's equal parts relationship workshop and speed date at the same time. And you're going to pick up some new skills while doing fun guided exercises with up to 24 dates.
Wow.
So here to tell us more is the co-founder and creator, Shahar. Did I pronounce that right?
Shahar.
Shahar.
Yes.
Guy, you were telling me it's not really a lot of yoga, but it's about connecting, right?
Yeah, it's really all about connecting, and a common misnomer is like people hear the word Tantra and they think we do something crazy and take off our clothes. It's nothing like that. It's really, and that's understandable. Tantra's 5,000 years old. It means everybody's got a different way to describe it. But the way that we describe it is that it's about connection and oneness. So when you're meeting someone, rather than swipe left or swipe right for a second on a screen, how do you be present with them? How do you look them in the eye, really connect with them, and figure out what kind of relationship you have?
Yeah, I want to hear more about this. I want to learn more about this because it's like, you know, it seems like a slowed down kind of thing, but it's about speed dating. So how do you combine those two?
So that's a really great question because it is pretty efficient in that way. So what happens is, picture a circle of women, and then on the outside a circle of men, and everybody's facing a partner. So in each station, which can last about 1 minute to 2 minutes, you go through a series of it's a guided exercise. So that's what makes it different from a traditional speed date where you just kind of have a discussion with someone. Here you get to go through a structured exercise with your partner. And what happens is, as you're sort of learning the exercise and practicing the exercise, you're observing both how am I adapting to the exercise, how is my partner adapting to the exercise, and how are we working together as a team? Which is what are we connecting, which is what a relationship is all about. So then that happens, and then at the end of the station, there's a transition ritual. And in Tantra Speed Date, the women choose the men. So the women get to take one of their beads, which are in these red pouches.
Should we put these on?
Put them on, and I can demonstrate. So at the end of every station, if a woman wants to connect with this man again, she'll take one of her beads in the red pouch and put it into his gray pouch. And now, this happens when the man's eyes are closed. So he doesn't know, was I chosen, was I not chosen, until after the ceremony when everybody gets their results.
Oh, okay. So I have all D's, and that's how I know.
That's how we know. Right, exactly.
So show us, Paula and I are going to demonstrate one of your exercises.
Okay.
What do we do? Yes.
Do you want to demonstrate it together?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so let's stand up. All right. So, this station is called the heart opening station.
Heart opening.
So who's going to have their heart opening, and who's going to be the partner who helps them?
I will open my heart.
Open your heart. Yeah, open your heart.
So in the speed date, you would be facing each other.
Okay.
And then what would happen is, for the heart opening, you would turn around.
I would turn around.
You'll open your arms in a T with your palms facing forward.
Okay.
And then what you'll do is you'll gently take her hands and pull them back into a heart opening stretch.
You mean further than they already are back?
Yes, until she says,
Paula, you're killing me.
Yes, until she says, Paula, you're killing me, and then you stop.
Me.
Right, so there's that communication aspect where you tell your partner, and then the partner holds the person there, and then I'm going to invite you to close your eyes.
I'm going to close my eyes?
You're going to close your eyes.
I feel like I should lift her up now, and she should go.
And dance, right?
Yeah, we should do a ballroom dance.
Yeah. So you close your eyes, take a deep breath, and really breathe into your heart.
Yes.
Beautiful. See, like your whole body just relaxed.
Yes.
And now as you're breathing into your heart, I want you to imagine your heart is expanding. I want you to really feel the sense of love in your heart.
All right.
Still breathing?
I'm still breathing.
So now on each breath, I want you to imagine breathing into your heart something you want to create in your life.
Oh, okay.
Something you desire, something you want to manifest.
Now, I don't want to fast forward this, but we have like about 30 seconds left.
So then what will happen is you have this feeling of what you want to create yourself. It's embodied. And then you turn around and you share it with your partner.
Oh.
And so, once again, these are people who have never met before. This is like a speed dating.
They've never met before, right.
But this helps them connect to see if you have a connection with each other.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and you get to know each other. So that's one of the stations.
I like that. Okay, we're going to read a testimonial really quick. Maybe just one of them about what people have said about it. What have they said?
I'll read this one. It's from Brandy. And we get this a lot. The people come in and they're like, I don't know what to expect. I was a little bit nervous. And then when they leave, they're like, this was amazing. So she says, I admit I came in with judgment, but very quickly I released that and found such love and peace, and most of all, sincerity from the men here. I felt like a goddess surrounded by strong, beautiful, empowered men.
Wow.
So what we
Brandy
do
liked
is
it.
we teach the men how to be grounded in their masculine presence.
Yeah.
And when that happens, the feminine can open and relax.
Right.
So people are learning healthy relationship roles that you might not have gotten from your parents in this variety, and they leave. This is why we call it Tantra Speed Date more than dating. We've seen that it actually benefits you beyond just who you meet.
Yeah.
It's so interesting. Well, thank you, Guy.
Thanks
And I know
so
you've got
much.
a couple of events here, so we're going to let everybody know that.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we are doing this on Wednesday in Denver at Full Moon Books in Lakewood.
Right.
And on Thursday, we're doing it in Boulder at the Integral Center.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're going to
here's-
go over the information right now for everybody.
Yeah, here it is. May 2nd at 6:30 p.m. in Lakewood, then May 3rd at 7 p.m. in Boulder. Tickets range from $35 to $60, and go to tantraspeeddate.com for more information. We'll be right back.